Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful copper jerry work, excellent sarees here, 1000 butta concept, a very elegant musical small buttas done in a meena work. You can see copper jerry and silver jerry alternatively used, meena work done in the opposite zari color. Beautiful dark blue color, royal blue and a darker shade with a very elegant border design which gives a rich look to the saree. Copper jerry work border with one side we have silver closing and other side we have the blue body color, and to the contrast we have a pink mixed with black to get a deep tone pink color with copper and silver jerry work, elegant look. The border design is given in the pallu also and blouse piece as well. Beautiful combination. The pink is very different, rare color. The combination is also rare and beautiful and attractive too with authentic silk. Completely handcrafted collection. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very rich border collection in copper jerry work, copper and silver. Closely weaved beautiful design buttas all over on a bottle green, very elegant saree. You can see the buttas, meena work done in buttas. Opposite zari color is used, copper used for silver and silver used for copper. Excellent design, and the border is a very beautiful rich border here. Copper zari border with both sides we have horizontal border design that is done in silver and the pallu color. And pallu is a very beautiful and different red and brown mixed color, dark brown, coffee brown and darker shade with copper zari work pallu. Vertically we have silver given for the border, the pallu design, and here we have the plain blouse piece in the pallu. Pallu also have the same blouse piece, is also having the border design which can be used for the body and the sleeves. Elegant one. The combination is also unique with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful rich saree collection in excellent combo colors. Here we have a beautiful navy blue color saree, excellent shade. The buttas are small buttas, musical type. Copper and silver used here, alternatively silver and copper. A meena work done in the small butta design. The butta design comes all over the saree, also beautiful design, and we have elegant jerry borders in both sides. The copper jerry is used here mainly, and silver jerry in one side, and the thin border in the pallu color is also given. A rich border design sarees. And the pallu is also really rich here, violet shade, beautiful one, black and magenta pink mixed color with copper jerry work in the pallu, and only in the edges we have the silver jerry. The same border design is in the pallu as well. The pallu tassels are already made with plain blouse piece. Blouse piece also have the rich borders which can be used for the sleeves. Elegant combination, a dark shade combo for the dark lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a very beautiful small musical butta concept in a copper jerry finish work. Excellent border design, very grand, rich looking sarees. Here we have a light sandal and brown mixed color, half white color saree, pastel shade with beautiful copper and silver jerry. It's alternatively the meena work is done all over the saree. The butta design comes with a very elegant border, mostly copper, with one side pallu color and one side silver jerry border. Very rich one it is, grand looking saree in the pastel shade with a excellent combination here, brown and gold mixed color pallu. Copper jerry work is looking really fantastic on the pallu also. Very grand pallu with plain blouse piece. The blouse piece also have the same border designs. An excellent combination with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, a beautiful border collection in copper zari work. Rich border collection it is, using copper and silver zari. Here we have a parrot green mixed with mild yellow. You get a beautiful goldish parrot green color, very elegant and attractive color saree with small buttas, meena work done in the buttas in the opposite color zari. Copper zari used for silver and silver used for copper. Very beautiful small buttas, and we have the beautiful border design in both sides. That is also done in mainly copper. On one side we have the silver zari border. Excellent one with a very contrast pink, a sweet pink with mild crimson mixed color. Very beautiful one. Copper zari one mostly used, and vertical borders we have silver zari. The same color blouse piece is given. The blouse piece also have the beautiful borders. Rich collection, very different and excellent color combo with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp, A very beautiful border design sarees in copper zari work. Excellent dark shade colors. Combination is very beautiful. Dark purple color. Black and purple mix. Dark black purple. It is very beautiful and the buttas are very visible on this color. Copper zari and silver zari used for the butta weavings. Excellent meena work. The opposite color zari is used for the meena work. And the border is a extra advantage of this saree. Very beautiful rich border. Copper zari is used and one side we have silver zari as well. And we have a very contrast dark bottle green color. Pallu also have the copper zari work and vertically we have silver zari borders and beautiful plain blouse piece with the zari borders in both sides. The combination is very elegant for the dark saree lovers, with dark color lovers with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Very beautiful rich border collection. Silver and copper zari work. The color of the saree is very pretty. Dark brown. Beautiful color. Very dark chocolate brown color saree. Mild maroon tinge. And we have both copper and silver zari work buttas. Buttas have meena work. Small buttas all over the saree. Beautifully hand woven with a very pretty border. Border is also grandly done using copper zari with one side silver zari as well. And we have plain blouse piece in pink color. It's a very different shade pink, brown and light peach mix pink color. And copper zari is used in the with pallu also with same color blouse piece. Excellent saree, very different color shade, rare collection with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. A beautiful rich border collection in copper zari work. Here we have beautiful color, a rust color saree, rusty orange. Bright rust it is. Very elegant buttas, small buttas, and it is having meena work. The opposite zari color is used as a meena work in the buttas. Finally, beautifully done. All over the saree, the butta work comes, and we have a rich border that is mainly in copper zari, and we have one side the silver zari border. Both sides the border design is grand, and we have a beautiful combination of light green mixed with the orange to get a different shade of green. It is, you can see the glossy green with copper zari work pallu, and we have plain blouse piece in same pallu. Very beautiful dual shade for the pallu. An excellent saree with authentic silk. Completely hand woven saree. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Rich border collection. Very different rich border with beautiful combination colors. Here we have a pink saree. Light lavender tinge pink it is. Beautiful pastel shade with very elegant copper and silver zari buttas. Meena work done in the opposite color. All over the saree the butta will come. Beautifully hand woven with a very elegant border. Mostly copper, and one side we have silver border as well. On both sides of the saree this border comes with a beautiful and different green pallu. The green have a pink mix. You can see the glow, light pink glow on the pallu with same color blouse piece. The combination is beautiful and very different with authentic silk. Pure Kanjipuram soft silk saree, double warp. Border, rich border collection in excellent combination colors. Here we have a very beautiful goldish yellow saree. Beautiful one, looking almost like a gold one. Excellent one. The copper zari is used for the butta as well as the border here. Silver and copper alternatively used. Meena work done in alternate colors as well. With a very rich border. Copper zari used for the border. On one side we have the silver zari concept. And the thin border is given in the pallu color also. And pallu is a very beautiful contrast rust color. Copper zari work in the pallu as well with the vertical silver borders. Same color blouse piece. The combination is beautiful. Very eye-catchy and ever lovable combination. Completely hand woven saree with authentic silk.